This is our Tumbler Table Runner. It includes all of your tumblers, your binding, and your backing. This is a choose your own adventure part. You're just gonna choose 9 of them and you're gonna cut them in half. Set them to the side. I'm just gonna take one of each of them. So for our tumblers, they kind of nest together. Fold this over and then you sew. All the way done, we can lay out our rows, put them together. These are the ones that we cut in half, so the edge that was cut and has that little rounded edge. What we're gonna do is we're gonna alternate fat side and our narrow side. And we'll just sew across that and show how the rows go together. Repeat that for all of the rows. Great job!
Thanks.